Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at Sega Dreamcast on the Arcade 2020. How good is the system for the Dreamcast and will all games run just great? I'm very curious about it. I hope you too. Consider subscribing because it would be great to have you in the Wicked family, and let's go. And I must say, it seems to be running very well. Stage 1. The D-pad and the analog stick are working fine. Oh crap. Oh man, it's really sad that this game doesn't run perfectly. One of my favorite games for the Sega Dreamcast when it comes to fighting games. And even the next stage, it still struggles. But you can hear that we're having a little bit more speed now. But no, it's slowing down big time. Whoa. No, it's not getting really better. But what you can see with two-dimensional games, there is no issues. And the game runs fine. I do see a little bit of glitching on the back. When you're moving around. I think it is not normal. Yeah. The problem is, it's fun that you can play it like this, but no, that is not the way how it... That was not what I wanted to be. Because the controls are totally... And again, D-pad and always hit work just fine. Pussy! Yes. You could see some glitches with the ice ball. The silent point runs pretty smooth. I'm gonna switch over to the little joystick. Wee. That's not good. Okay, minor glitch, but nevertheless.
Fight for your freedom. Escape from the castle. A solid beginning may lead to a perfect ending. Go for it. An aquatic adventure. Don't forget to take advantage of those subs. Let the battle begin. Go!
So far, so good.
You win! Battle 2, fight!
Alright, so let's try Vigilante Ace, and this is a game that has a lot of issues. Support for this game is not very good, and you can see we're having this very strange line, and I don't know what happened to the sound, but but I think it will not get any better. But it's a great example with compatibility that some of the games are not running like it should be. Okay, so this is what you're going to get with the Dreamcast on this handheld. When you're doing some more testing, you will notice that some games like Dead or Alive 2 are running pretty shitty. Vigilante 8 is basically glitching out and also not booting up when you want to start the game. But in general, it's not bad at all, and I'm very surprised what you're going to get with this very cheap handheld, because you're not paying a very big amount of money, or that's what I think of it. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. Would you consider buying something like this? And consider subscribing. I have a lot of stuff coming up, and I also did a full review, so if you want to see the full review about the device, you can always check the other video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.